Lately, these VO3 ads have been going absolutely viral. What's behind them? A new prompting format called JSON prompting. And honestly, it lets you create some serious cool stuffs. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make these videos yourself. It all started when someone began posting IKEA branding unboxing videos using this method. But here's the thing, you're not limited to IKEA brand alone. You can do different brands, different style, even videos with characters. I will share with you all the prompts you need to get started, plus show you some creative examples. But before we dive in, let's clear something up. There's a lot of hype around JSON prompting right now. Some people think it's a magic trick that automatically makes your videos amazing. JSON prompting is just a way to structure your video instructions clearly for the AI. In fact, you don't even need to use JSON prompting if you don't want to, but for this kind of videos, it works really well. In this video, I'll share the exact JSON prompt I used to create the Peps ad like this. The Oreo ad like this. Or the perfume ad like this one. Not only that, but I'll share with you how you can get access to a cool chatbot that lets you create JSON prompts with just a single line of instruction. So stick with me throughout this video because you don't want to miss out on this one. First thing first, you need a platform you can use to access Google VEO3. Personally, I use OpenAI. I'll leave the link in the description below, but you can also use Google Flow directly or any AI tool of your choice. Once we are on OpenAI, we want to select videos, then we want to come to text to video. Now, here on our left, we want to make sure that text is selected. From there, we need to select a model. As I mentioned, we need VEO3. One of the reasons I like using OpenAI is because it gives me access to all these AI video generation tools all in one place so that I don't have to juggle multiple subscriptions. So we select a VEO3. Then here we need to paste in the JSON prompt. Let's start with the minion room transformation. Then here we need to leave the audio on to get that cool sound effect in the background. Then on the resolution, we go for the highest quality, 180p. Then on the video model, we can choose either on fast or normal. Fast is a little bit cheaper and normal is a little bit expensive. I'll leave it to fast so that I can save some credits. From there, we hit create. As the video is being generated, let me explain a little bit on the JSON prompt. Some of you are not tech savvy, just like me, and you might be asking yourself what this JSON prompt really is. It's basically a JavaScript format that tells the AI exactly what you want in order. This might include the description of the entire video of everything that is unfolding, the style, the camera, the lighting, the room, the elements, the motion, the ending, the text, and the entire keywords. In most cases, people just type in a vague prompt like a box unboxing, and that doesn't really work, but JSON prompting gives the AI a clear structure which helps it create something way cooler. Let's paste in a room transformation of a Pikachu and hit create. And there is our Pikachu transformation. And this was the second one which I tried out. Okay, I also tried out this one of a kitten. And it turned out to be super cool. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'd really love to hear from you. This is just a beautiful room transformation. Look at the details and the arrangement of all the elements in it. Just so super cool, super beautiful. Just hit the like button if you like what you see. Now, let me show you how you can make your own custom prompts using ChatGPT. Just head over to ChatGPT. Currently, I'm using the room transformation JSON prompt generator. This is a chatbot that I got access to through Dan. I'll leave the link to his video in the comment section below that will instruct you exactly on how you can get access to this bot. Once you're inside ChatGPT, you can see some options that you can use to create these detailed JSON prompts. For example, when we click on the first one, which says, give me a JSON for a Nike sneaker unboxing in a dark studio, to generate a JSON prompt that you can literally copy and paste into VEO3. It's as simple as that. No need to stress out or start thinking. From there, all I can do is copy this prompt, come back to OpenArt, come to VEO3, delete this prompt, and paste the one I've just copied and hit create. Not only that, but we can type in a specific prompt like, please give me a JSON VEO3 prompt for a boxing opening room transformation in, here we can say Gucci, and hit enter. From there, all we have to do is copy the prompt and try it out. Here is the Nike ad. Let me know what you think, but this is just so cool. This is where a brand that spends hundreds of thousands of dollars just hiring animators and VFX artists. Imagine what you can do with this, and all it takes is your creativity and your patience to get through with this. And here's our Gucci living room transformation. Now, sometimes you not get the perfect exact results that you were looking for. The AI sometimes happen to struggle a bit. Now, before I show you the professional ads I created, I wanted to try out something new, something different, like the Transformers, like this car transformer. Not only this one, but I also tried out this jet transformation. This is just so insane and cool in my opinion. Again, like I mentioned, you might want to try a few times because sometimes it takes a couple of tries to nail it. Like I mentioned, I also made this perfume ad. It would be one try, and I really love the cinematic vibe it created. You can try this for different brands you want. I also tried out this ad for a Samsung product, which you can simply try out here by generating a cinematic prompt for a Samsung ad, an Apple ad, an iPhone, or anything specific that you have or want to create. And this was the result I got for a Samsung ad. That's just so cool in my opinion. And here was the Apple product. If you want to try out these for yourself, I'll leave the link to OpenArt in the description below and how you can get access to this chat. From here, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. God bless you. Check out this next amazing tutorial.